WordPress admin dashboard cluttered with too many menu items? Spending time navigating through posts, pages, users, settings, and dozens of plugin menus? Smart Admin Assistant reorganizes your WordPress admin dashboard with powerful modules. Each module includes handy features really needed for increasing productivity. Here's what you get. Admin interface. Customize your WordPress sidebar, hide unnecessary menu items, and rearrange your dashboard widgets. Login and user. Manage WordPress user roles, customize the login page, and control user access from one location. Performance. Monitor your WordPress site speed, enable caching, and optimize database queries without leaving your admin panel. Utilities. Access WordPress maintenance mode, database cleanup, and file management tools directly from your dashboard. Security. Monitor login attempts, scan for malware, and manage WordPress security settings in one place. Content management. Bulk edit posts and pages, manage categories and tags, and organize your WordPress media library efficiently. Component disabling. Turn off unused WordPress features, disable plugin elements, and remove dashboard widgets you don't need. No need to hunt through WordPress menus. Everything you need to manage your site is now organized, accessible, and actually where you expect to find it. Stop struggling with WordPress chaos. Get Smart Admin Assistant now from the WordPress Plugin Repository and transform your admin experience today.